At this time of year, you might be wondering what KPIs or key performance indicators you should have been keeping all year to see what your scores are for 2020. I'm Sam Ashdown from Firewave, and in this video, this Whiteboard Wednesday video, I'm going to be taking you through our KPIs, what we track and why. Hi, we're talking today about KPIs, key performance indicators, or as we call them here, scores. We have a scoreboard, we bring out a scoreboard every single week, and we track certain metrics throughout the course of every week, every month, every quarter, and every year. Now, some estate agents like to track things like viewings. We don't, because we don't feel that we can unduly influence the number of viewings, but we can influence the number of valuations. That's something we can spend time making sure we get more of, and it's more lucrative and more successful, I think, than trying to focus on viewings. I know not everybody would agree, that's just our take on it. So at this time of year, we're looking at three big numbers really. Number of valuations we've had all year, number of instructions we've had all year, and then the figure banked. Now, a banked figure is a sum, valuations is a number, and instructions is a number. However, you could also say, what is the average instruction that we've had? So we know, for example, how many properties we've actually completed, how much it was per property, and also the same with instructions as well. And there's also a lovely percentage there as well. So what's the relationship between the number of valuations you've done and the number of instructions you've had? When I checked ours this year, it's completely skewed because we had way more instructions than valuations, which of course isn't really possible, depending on the actual period you're looking at. But if you're not looking at these, please do now look at them. There's probably about 6 numbers you need to track, 3 big ones and then 3 peripheries as well. And it really gives you an indication of how well you've done over the last quarter, year, and then what you want to do in 2021. We have successfully increased all 3 of these every single year since we started, and we will continue to do so. But it's only by having a target in our minds that we know what we want to achieve. And something we do that no other agent I know does, we have something that we call the church, I'm banking my microphone, the church roof fund, which we have in our staff kitchen. And on that, we can see exactly what we have banked this year. We colour in a little section every single time we take on, or we have another completion banked. And all our team, we've got 16 people here, can see exactly what we've banked that week and what our target is. Luckily, we're way ahead of target now, so it's a really nice figure to see every time somebody goes in and makes a cup of tea. Now, if you'd like to know more about how Firewave can help you hit these big numbers next year, just go to fire-wave.co.uk/start. Find out if your area is available. If it is, that's great news. We'll be in touch to let you know if and how we can help you smash your numbers in 2021. See you there.